Hey guys, you must be thinking today, right? That why there is no thumbnail or even the background of the video is black. But actually, this is not the background of my video. This is the future of our country. Yes, this will be the future of our country if we today don't stand with Sonam Wangchuk sir, the students who are protesting over there for the justice and CJP party. Yes, I support CJP party. Not because I am an andhbhak or blindly following a party. No, because the party is providing and prioritizing the interest of the students. And I completely agree on all the demands that Sonam Wangchuk sir is saying. And I also believe that the disrespected Dharmendra Pradhan, the education minister of India, should resign by his thumbprint. Yes, he would be resigning by his thumbprint because for doing the signature you should know at least how to write and be educated. Just imagine the education minister of our country doesn't even know the spellings of the words and he is the education minister. How will he run the education department when he doesn't even know the spellings of those words? And I also believe that with him, the prime minister of our country, yes, the tea seller by the way, should also resign. And why you must be thinking that why he should resign? Because the prime minister of the country should be an educated person, the one who knows how to run the country, not the one, the tea seller, the uneducated person. Because if an uneducated person runs the country, then in the news channel, the national news is not discussed. Why Melody is so chocolatic? This would be the headline. And we all studied, if you are a CBSE student or even if you are not, you must have studied in a 9th and 10th that a democratic country is the government where you are free to give your views. You can peacefully protest, but no. If you see in Jantar Mantar, the police has brutally beaten up the students. They were just protesting for the justice. Now, even if you are asking for your justice, your rights, you are beaten up brutally. This is what the true faces of the government are shown. So I request all of you to today support the students, the protest. Not because you are following a particular party or you are a worshipper of a party, but because for the future of our country, for the rights and the justice we should get. And from this one thing, I really learned one true lesson that, these Bollywood actors and all, that really don't think about the students and all. They just think about their money. Yes, you heard it right. They only think and worry about their money. That is the only thing that, the protests were having for so many days and they not even posted one story or, try to talk about it except the few. And I feel very proud of myself that I never ever in my life followed any celebrity. And now you must be thinking that why should they talk about it? Why should they not talk about it? Aren't they the citizens of the country? And also they have those, like the masses number of audience. So if they will post even one of the story, then people will get to know about the protests and they will know that what is happening. Because this news channel is trying to, that Goti media, they are trying to hide that, protest and showing how students are beating the police officers. They will not show that, students were peacefully protesting and they were just protesting. But the police officers first started and when they were, trying to save themselves, which is called self-defense and it is justiceable, the media portrayed it as the students who are, like Gen Z, bigdi bhi generation. They are trying to beat the police officers and disrespecting them. But yeah, they won't show the other side. And I truly love how these Gen Zs are handling the serious protest in not so unserious manner. And true hats of salute to the people who are over there in Jantar Mantar and protesting. We all truly support you. You know what, this I really want to share with you all people, that I actually thought that, whether I should post this video topic related to this video or not. Not because I was afraid or, that I would lose subscribers and all. Really, man, I just have 300 subscribers. Even if 50 will go, let it be. Even 300 will go, let's okay. I will earn it with my hard work. I was just confused that whether, because my channel is, first of all, is an entertainment channel where I just point out the mistakes or you can just tell about my favorite shows or stuff like that. And I thought that, whether I should post, because from my personal Instagram account, I'm constantly supporting them and whatever I can do from my way, I'm doing those things. But yeah, now I thought that maybe even if I can educate at least 5 people about this protest and if through me you are getting to know about it, I will be very grateful about it. And I don't want to be in the future, ashamed or having those guilt that I had the chance and I didn't supported them. Because what will the face I will show to my future generations? I don't want to be like the coward people. And yeah, feel free to unsubscribe me. Because yeah, man, I just have 300 subscribers. Not even 300. I have 274 subscribers. Even if I lose 50, or let's just say the whole 274 subscribers, I don't even feel 1% pity if I lose all of them. Because over here, I'm proudly standing with the nation of my country. So yeah, feel free to unsubscribe me. Because even I don't want those audience who doesn't even know the simple difference between what is right and what is wrong. And yeah, I don't even worry about these subscribers because I will earn it again with my hard work. But I won't get another chance, to stand with my country and my nation. So yes, I proudly say that I stand with Sonam Wangchuk sir, the students who are protesting in Jantar Mantar and even in some parts of the country, and the CJP party, because they are fighting for our rights.